Today, I want to talk about AI in search and how it can help your users get to the information they are seeking faster and improve the overall search experience on your site. I've broken it down into 3 common approaches users can take to get to the information on your site. That includes informational searches, navigational searches, and conversational searches. I will have examples of each of these in the demo. With AI, you also have different ways to affect your search and the information that is presented by the AI. These include through the use of governance and external data. I will have examples of both of these as well. The first example is a navigational search, where the user just wants to get to a certain page or group of pages on your site. This could be simply the About Us page or Services page, or they may not know exactly. In this case, I am looking for information on the industries this company supports. You'll see the AI can detect my intent and simply point me directly to the /industries page I am looking for. This is an example of navigational search. My next example is a conversational search. It allows you to find information in a much more natural way. In this conversation, I want to learn how I can become SOC 2 compliant as a company, so I simply ask, and the AI gives me an information-filled response and even cites all its sources from the index. I also want to know how I can automate this process, so I simply continue the conversation by asking a follow-up question to the AI, and it responds accordingly. You can imagine how this could continue and find information faster and easier. In this next example, I am showing a more traditional informational search. This is just when you need to find information on a certain topic, and AI will help get you to that information faster. You can see I asked for tax and compliance updates, and rather than having to go through all the results myself, AI summarized and presented me with the most important information. However, if I wanted to scroll down more, you can see I still have the option to use a traditional search UI with all the results and facets and do my own research if needed. Lastly, I wanted to show how you can use governance and external data to affect the information presented by the AI in search results. Sometimes you may not want the AI to give certain information, recommend competing brands, or give advice. You can control how the AI responds by giving it a set of guidelines and rules to follow. In this case, had it give a disclaimer whenever giving out advice to warn the user this is AI-generated advice. You will also notice that in the response here, the AI is recommending someone named Alex Waller as a professional who can give assistance on this topic. This isn't actually true, but it is an example of me giving the AI extra data to work with through the use of a knowledge vault that can contain additional public or private data to the AI.